Hello campers! Today we are making campfire cones and we have a campfire cone creation station here. You can use any cone that you like. I prefer a sugar cone here. And these are some of the fillings that I like, although the possibilities are endless. You'll be able to see the recipe on the website. I am going to take a marshmallow and cut it in half. Drop it into the cone. I am going to use a half of a Kit Kat bar and throw in a few chocolate chips, some M&Ms. I like some raisins, and I'm going to top it off with the other half of the marshmallow. What we do, you can eat these cold, just like this, or I'm going to show you how we can wrap them in foil and throw them into a campfire or a toaster oven, and we can eat them warmed up. When it comes out, so an adult uses their oven mitt. Here is my melted campfire cone, and it is delicious. This is a proven recipe. Excellent. Have fun, campers.